Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to have fixed header whenever we are using Salesforce Lightning Web Component Lightning Data Table. So here, if I scroll up and down, the header is fixed. If you have a requirement where you want to achieve a fixed header like this, then we have to define the height with a div tag, and within the div tags, we have to place our Lightning Data Table. Let's look at the sample code here. I have an Apex class where I'm returning 100 accounts from my account object. In my HTML, I'm using a div tag where I'm defining the height as 250 pixel height, and then within my div, I have my Lightning Data Table. So here I'm using the wire framework to fetch the account records from my Apex class, and then using a Lightning tab, I was displaying the Lightning Web Component. So here, since I have set the height as 250 pixel, so it will define the height as 250 pixel. By default, the header is already fixed. We don't have to use any custom CSS or SLDS tags or SLDS classes, sorry, to have that fixed header. By default, the header is fixed. So by just defining the height, we should be able to achieve the fixed header. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get the sample Apex class and the Lightning Web Component code which were referenced in this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.